Hi, we will show you 4 of the best knots that you can use to attach a rope to a tree when camping in the forest or in daily life, arranged in order from easy to hard and secure. These knots will help you when you want to attach something to a tree or set up a tent in the forest. The first knot, known as the king of knots and easy to tie, is called the bowline. By creating this knot, you will have a stable loop and can execute it in 2 ways. The second knot is the Taut Line Hitch. With this knot, you can adjust the size of the loop, allowing the rope to be at its tightest. You can also quickly release it by placing the loop in the knot. The third knot is the Mooring Hitch, which is one of the easiest knots. In this knot, the loop tightens and the knot adheres to the trunk or object. By pulling the other end of the rope, it can be quickly released. The fourth knot is among the most difficult and secured knots. It tightly adheres to the trunk, making it challenging to release. You can use this knot when you are worried about it coming undone, ensuring it stays securely in place. What do you think? If you have a better knot in mind, please let us know in the comments.